It's that time again. It's 7:20 and we're on the way to the gym doing our spin. That rhymes. Can't think of anything else that does. Hopefully I won't end up in a bin. It's the best I got. It's 7:20. Good morning, everyone. Just before we start to sweat, thought I'd show you our little gym. This is always ours. It's always empty. I had once one other person join us and that was it. And it's quite nice. Our own little private studio. And we're just waiting for the instructor to come on. So that's it, on the way home. Now for those that are watching my video this morning and joining the group, I'm going to give you a heads up. How good a fisherman are you? And what makes you a good fisherman? That's what's going to be in the group today. Answers on a postcard. But for now, we're going home and having a nice cup of coffee. So I've been putting some seed potatoes in here. Dug that deeper. This one, I've just dug a little bit and popped a few potatoes in. And here, I've just loosely scattered carrot seeds, see what happens. And now I'm going to dig some more trenches here for some more potatoes. I cannot but think these rows of potatoes I've put in look like graves. So hopefully potatoes will come up and not dead bodies. That looks a little bit less like a grave, but the rest of it definitely looks like graves. And I've just locked them puppers away in there at the moment because then I don't have to watch them. Just checking my incubator and I've got some little tomatoes coming up and some runner beans at the back there. It's quite exciting. Looking forward to that all coming up. I just love it how they all come up at the same time. Just amazing. Sorry, it's not a runner bean stalk, is it? It's a runner bean cane. It's a cane basically that I use for my runner beans, but yeah. Hurt a little bit. But it's okay. I'll take it because I'm a man.